welcome. We're here with Snory Johnson from the Wacoby tribe from deep in Wichita, Kansas. He's currently hibernating, and if you listen closely, you can hear the mating call of the Wacoby. Here, just go ahead and listen. Beautiful, beautiful. So I was sitting here to ask him a few questions, and let's see if I can do it without getting too much of a rise out of him. So, Snory, where'd you grow up? And, how was it, living your life as Snory Johnston? Go ahead and break it to us for the viewers. Very insightful, very insightful. I can see kind of where you're coming from. Moving on. What do you got spinning in the CD player right now? What you got spinning in the CD player? Why don't you go ahead and tell your viewers? Tell the viewers, dude. What's spinning in the CD player right now?